Track and Trade has taken the COT report and turned it into a technical indicator and integrated it directly into the price charts themselves. First, we must put the COT indicator in its place. Is it technical or is it fundamental? The information used to create the indicator is the actual buying and selling activity of each individual group of traders. Therefore, it's classified as fundamental information. But the COT indicator itself is a technical indicator, so it's kind of a hybrid of sorts, crossing the boundary of technical indicator and fundamental indicator. We've taken the fundamental information and turned it into a technical indicator, which is what makes it so unique and different from almost all other indicators. Let's take a look at how we break down the COT. In this snapshot, you can see that the commitment of traders is broken down into three categories. Red represents the large commercial traders. This includes both factories as well as farmers, and they actually put both of these groups into one category. Blue represents the large speculators, like banks and hedge funds. Green represents small speculators. We also find in the software yellow, which represents total open interest, and whether total interest in the specified commodity is increasing or decreasing. We also have the ability to include options trading activity into the COT as well. This is a personal preference and changes the numbers somewhat, but is beyond the scope of this video. Suffice it to say, I generally do not include options data when using the COT for standard trend trading purposes, since there's a lot of buying and selling of options for other purposes than simply trend trading. We also have the ability to run a moving average crossover trend system over the top of the COT indicator, which can also help us identify which direction the big money is moving. Let's take a look at what a COT indicator looks like when it just represents the large commercials. Now here's what the COT looks like when it just represents the large speculators. And here's what it looks like when it just represents the small speculators. Now here's what it looks like with all three represented at the same time.